one member from the
University of Calcutta.
Education board of the state government.
Primary education.
Primary Education Board and Vishwabharati University to direct one member.
Yes.
And University of Calcutta. You have no problem with Vishwabharati and Calcutta.
The board is the interested party.
There has to be one person from the exam, the board which has set the exam.
Exactly. So
otherwise, this is not that kind of a situation where, without reference to the examiner.
There are two, even according to you, there are two members on whom you have no difficulty.
Your Lordship's only one.
Only one.
Only one.
Why?
Only the university member, to which we don't have a problem. We have
what about Vishwabharati?
Yes, Your Lordships. We have a problem both with University of Calcutta and nominee of the board.
Why do you have a problem with the University
because
of Calcutta?
University of Calcutta is the authority which had acted at the behest of the the previous opinion was given by the university.
It's on record in my SLP, my lord.
Well, is it not possible? I mean, just to have, to give to give them a sense of confidence.
Yes.
That, instead of having the University of Calcutta, Vishwabharati can be there. And one more person, one more independent person.
Milord, as far as the board is concerned, Milord, it's just a committee, Milord.
Board has filed an affidavit in the High Court in response to an earlier order saying that what we have done is perfectly right. Our committee has examined it and we have worked very hard. There is no error. Then the High Court refers it to the University of Calcutta. The University of Calcutta comprises a committee of 3 experts. That committee has again filed an affidavit before the High Court saying the questions are all okay, the answers are right, there is nothing wrong. Now our problem is, if out of the 3, who are those 2 whose affidavits are already on the record?
But therefore, we can do this. What you are suggesting is have somebody from the Vishwabharati, somebody from Jadavpur.
Yes, Your Lordships.
All right?
And then one
Milord, the board should be present, Milord.
Lordships, the board cannot be the
This is not that kind of a situation.
What we can do is that we can say that should we say that, subject to, I'll just talk to my brothers, that the secretary of the primary education board will be an ex officio member of the committee.
Correct.
To assist the other 2 members. Are you willing to do that?
That can be done. As long as he is not giving an expert opinion on the answers.
Instruction will
Calcutta University is a very large body. I mean, why would what we can do is
the other persons.
that the same member who had given the opinion on behalf of Calcutta University earlier will not be a part of the committee.
What single judge has done.
These are academic questions. This is not, Milord, as if there is a fact-finding mission going on. In which, Milord, adjudication will take place.
can be restored.
What was the order of the single judge?
The learned single judge said,
Jadavpur.
Refers it to the Jadavpur.
for the aforesaid purpose, that is
Single judge referred to the VC of Jadavpur University.
correct.
Members.
To furnish to the Vice Chancellor their documents, let the Vice Chancellor submit a report to the registrar within a period of 1 month.
The point is there were 24 questions.
23 years.
23. Issue is whether the answers were wrongly framed.
Correct.
That's right.
This is really, I mean, what's the big deal about this? There's no issue of bias here.
It's a job, it's the life of every candidate. Your Lordship.
These are academic issues, Milord.
What is neutrality?
Ultimately, it's an academic issue.
It's a
The examining body must have somebody there.
We interfere at this stage.
Your Lordship's only what
Your Lordship may
suggesting is perfectly acceptable. I think even
Your Lordship may do one thing, Lord. The University of Calcutta, Your Lordship may substitute by the other university, and then that can remain. And the other thing which the division bench of the High Court has done, it has shut us out from filing any representation or any
They're referring to an academic expert.
Yeah.
Trial.
So the other person will be Vishwabharati, right?
Yes. So instead of Calcutta, Your Lordship may make it Vishwabharati. Let the board be there.
So Vishwabharati is already there.
Jadavpur. Your Lordship, instead of Calcutta, Your Lordship may make it Jadavpur.
Whatever, Milord, I leave it to Your Lordship.
Then the board
This is
is
just a
there,
committee which will decide whether an answer to a question is
These candidates, it's a last chance for these candidates.
Well, this is not a political dispute.
Whether they get anything.
Yes.
Thank you.
Lordship, the board is also amenable. Lordship,
And now item 16 holds a period.
Only then one thing. The learned single judge allowed us to give our representation. Please allow us just.
But this is an academic issue.
An academic issue, let them
There can't be
decide.
a trial on this, Manoj.
Yes.
Can there be a time frame for that? If they decide it after a
36.
long time,
Item not at all. Item 16.
Well, at 36 and 38 may be connected. No?
Yes, yes. All three matters.
Yes.
Item 16.
16.
Then let's, would we withdraw it?
We are not present.
Already can withdraw it.
So that then we can.
Mr. Withdraw.
Very good.
Yes, but
Item 16.
anyway, it's an interim order. We can
Item
go to the
Item 16, yes, Your Lordship.
Go to the High Court. Why would not
Your Lordship, the glaring violation of right.
the High Court and Article 30?
Your Lordships are already looking
That
in
would be
another matter.